Wrong.
Oh, we'll get this out of the way.
Sorry. My bad, Dodson.
So as you can see, this is Legolas, this is the Rock. Legolas has gravity acting on him, and since he's pushing down, he also has normal force. The Rock has gravity because it's moving down, and it also has the force Legolas is pushing onto it. So in order for Legolas to move up, this has to be greater than the acceleration down. So the acceleration of Legolas is the normal force minus the gravity over the mass of Legolas. And then you do some equating, some deriving, and the acceleration of Legolas becomes the mass of the Rock over the mass of Legolas times the acceleration of the Rock minus 2 plus the mass of the Rock over mass of Legolas times gravity. And then the mass of the, or not the mass of the Rock, the acceleration of the Rock is the mass of Legolas plus the mass of the Rock times g plus the normal force over the mass of the Rock. So, in order for him to move upwards, this would have to be, the acceleration of Legolas would have to be much greater than the acceleration of the Rock downwards. And that all depends on the mass of the Rock, which we're assuming, based on the video, that even if those rocks were made out of, say, granite, that Legolas would weigh more, and if not, it'd be very close. And in order for him to move up, the mass of the Rock would have to be much more than the mass of Legolas. So therefore, he wouldn't move up.
The physics are just not right.
This is false. And when he's pushing down on a rock, it doesn't move down faster than the other rocks, which there'd be more force on that rock. It'd be the force of him pushing down and the force of gravity, so it should move down faster, but as seen in the video, it doesn't. Lots of problems. So as you can see in the video again, the rock doesn't move down any faster when
This episode is brought to you by Tor Book.
when Legolas pushes on it, which in the free body diagram, there's the force of gravity and the force of the mass of Legolas and what he's pushing on it. So it has to move faster than gravity is moving, which it did not in the video. So therefore the physics can't be right.